Hello, everybody. We are so glad you're here with us tonight. I get to give you a brief update on our New Hampshire Tomorrow Youth Opportunity Initiative. The foundation started this initiative because we believe that all New Hampshire kids should have a chance to thrive and grow into adults who will contribute to their communities, like all of you. The foundation set out to elevate the importance of this goal and to build collective understanding on the urgency that we act and increase public awareness and public and private investment in New Hampshire's children. With your help, we're well on our way. Some of you gave generously to help us jumpstart the initiative. Some of you provided counsel and insights, and many of you are doing the work alongside New Hampshire's children and their parents. We thank you all for your part in this. The foundation has committed a minimum of $10 million per year to this initiative, and thanks to the generosity of our donors, in 2016, we were able to award $14.1 million in grants and scholarships for children and families all across the state. I'm going to share just a few highlights. A gift from the Couch Family Foundation allowed us to hire a director of early childhood. Many of you have met with Christina LaChance as she's traveled around the state to understand local needs in early childhood and family support programs. Also in early childhood, our state leaders have worked hard to build bipartisan support for new investments in quality childcare and full-day kindergarten. These conversations are still ongoing now, but we are greatly encouraged by their leadership, and we're pleased to support advocacy that supports these efforts. In substance use, the foundation granted over $2.5 million to local community programs in prevention, and treatment, and recovery, and we continue to provide leadership and support advocacy on this issue as well. This year, the foundation also joined with the Business and Industry Association to launch Workforce Accelerator 2025. The goal of that initiative is to increase school-to-career pathways and partnerships between local employers and schools and colleges, as well as help advance our collective goal that 65% of our New Hampshire adults should have a high-quality credential or degree by the year 2025, so we can meet our workforce needs. And Foundation President, my colleague Dick Ober, started the Community Foundation Opportunity Network. It's a national coalition of community foundations across the country who are all working at the national level to increase youth opportunity. We are grateful to our donors, to our business partners, to our partners from the faith community, New Hampshire employers, and most of all, to the New Hampshire nonprofits and all their staff. For all of you have amped up your efforts and aligned your efforts so that we collectively can dedicate more energy to New Hampshire children and increase our investments in our kids. And we thank you all for that. In addition to the foundation's work in New Hampshire Tomorrow, as your community foundation, we continue our investment and our engagement in all the areas that matter to our communities, including the arts, civic engagement, and the environment. But here's the thing. The heart of all this work, indeed the reason all of it happens, is not the foundation's support. It's our people, New Hampshire's people. And we are honored to be working with all of you on these issues. So let's bring up a few more of these people. Tonight we're going to hear from a few more folks, and first we're going to hear from Big Brothers and Big Sisters. Big Brothers and Big Sisters has lists of kids that are waiting for mentors, and tonight, especially mentors for young boys. And tonight we're going to hear from one of the mentors working with them. We're also going to talk about New Hampshire's Medicaid expansion program, a bipartisan and innovative solution that's bringing people the health care they need. Lastly, we're going to hear from Welcoming New Hampshire, supported by the Charitable Foundation as well as the Endowment for Health. This group is working to help us embrace our new immigrants and all that they bring to our communities and our economy. So it's now my pleasure to introduce Howard Brodsky. Howard serves on our New Hampshire Tomorrow Leadership Council and is CEO of CCA Global and a volunteer with Big Brothers Big Sisters of New Hampshire.